Hello and welcome to B2Broker biggest office to date in St. Petersburg. Welcome. This is our front office, front desk, and our administrator, Ekaterina. Okay, so we are going to our wardrobe. In this office, we decided to make a big space where all of our employees can put their stuff, can put their outwear, can change their shoes, can leave their stuff, some sport equipment, etc. So this is equally big space that we made for our guys. Let's go. As I said, this is company's biggest office to date. The total area is nearly 900 square meters. When we started to look for the place, we tried to find the even rectangular to do the best fitting of all our needs and all our people. This is our IT office. It's not supposed to be a client's office, and that is why we tried to add some fun into the design, into walls, and make it more friendly for our employees. So first place that I would like to show you, it's a department of our payment system called B2B Pay. And here we have a nice big space for our high-load projects. Don't see that here is only one person. It is post-COVID situation, so a lot of guys work remotely. And here we put the name of products that this particular department is working on. As I mentioned before, this is the company's biggest office, but this is also the office where we made full renovation starting from scratch. Actually here before it was some kind of medical center, so we destroyed everything there. We remade and renovated everything from the floor to the ceiling. And actually for the whole renovation it took approximately 8 months. So 8 months from the very beginning it took to make it look like this. And here is one more room. That's a room for QA engineers. That's guys who test all the products. And testing for perfection is kind of our motto, because when we give ready-made solutions and ready-made products to our clients, we want them to be perfect. Meetup room, it's kind of unique space that I really want to show you. Please, welcome. Special space that is designed for the teams when they want to do the presentation. Here we have a projector. So when, let's say, team lead or project manager or our CTO or CEO or me want to show something for the big audience, we usually connected the laptop to this projector and show the presentation. And while we are showing presentation and speaking like real speakers, our people can sit here on this very comfortable chairs and listen. So it's kind of informal meeting room, and if I'm not mistaken, we can locate here approximately 30 people in total. Here's on the wall we showed our main products, all of this and all the information you can find on our website. And here we have all our projects, because we have a lot of projects to date. Some of them are very well known, such as B2Broker, B2B Pay, B2BX. Some of them are kind of new, like CoinsBuy, Acquire, B2B Creative Web Studio. To be honest, I don't know when we will release this video, so maybe to the date of the video release, all of the information will be available on our website. Let's go. Also, one of the biggest rooms is designed for the team of B2Core. B2Core is our first product that we ever developed. DevOps and admins. So the whole idea of this room was designed to the laptop of the team lead. When we designed some common places, like not the rooms for specific departments, but more like meetup rooms, negotiation rooms, etc., we thought about the goal of these spaces from the very beginning. The goal of exactly this negotiation room, it's negotiation room for human resources purposes. When the candidate comes to the interview in this office, he can see the results that were achieved from the very beginning in our company. So here we have the years of our company growth, and here's some results like how many clients, how many people, how many licenses, and how many offices we had from the very beginning. So as we see, the results from the very beginning were very tiny, but to the date for 2020, we have increased it in many times. I would like to tell a few words about this specific room because we call this room silent room. So in a few departments we have people who are kind of introverts, and they don't like to be placed with their departments because they need like a really silent space to work. We designed toilets with love. So let me show you how it works. Woman, man, and please, let's come to the women. We put some really nice music here. We put some music equipment, and here we try to do everything very technologically useful. Dyson, our pride. So here you can not only wash your hands, but you always can dry it. That's it. I always like to specify and tell that people are our basis, and actually people is the most important part in any business, not only in our business. And of course our business is not exception. So these ladies and our human resources director are looking for talents every single day. So please leave your requests on our headhunter, apply to the positions. Almost every single day or every week we have something new, and these people will be the people who will speak with you. Next, one of the biggest departments by the number of people is a technical support department. Here we have guys who do the technical support 24/7, and they put their efforts to make this technical support one of the best technical supports in the industry. This is very light and very relaxed room. Actually, is designed for negotiation. And the negotiation and the meetings that will be here, it's not kind of negotiation with the clients, it's more internal meetings. And we made it in this warm and light colors so everybody can feel cozy and relaxed while discussing very important things. In addition, what was one of the most decisive reasons of choosing this specific space was this perfect windows. These people are creating the best interfaces in the industry, and this specific department is working for all interfaces of all our products. That's our kitchen. Usually it's not that empty as it is now. Usually it's like this. When when we were looking for this space, we took into the account not only the current number of our employees, but also our HR plan for the future. Next reason of choosing specifically this office is that it's very close to the subway station, and that is into the building where is the full infrastructure for our employees, such as restaurants, such as even cinema, different shops, etc. And even park.